Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, about Sinus came in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another
brand new banger.
banger. Yeah guys, but before we kick things off, guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help your Jamaican YouTuber out. But anyway, we never now waste some time right tonight. So pretty much we're gonna react to some videos. Me never yet see them. Make we get right tonight.
No, you alone know
control yourself in a vehicle.
Look for me here, me and Maroon. No, you alone know
Suck your mama batty boy.
Oh!
Feel like you can
When?
again.
Tomorrow again?
Go suck your mama.
Me do it last night.
Suck your mother.
Me do it last
And your
night.
girl and your pitney. And your
No, me
girl.
never do me picnic yet still, but my mother and my wife, me do it.
Suck out on that.
He needs some milk.
Anything else?
Don't talk to
Hmm?
me. Don't talk you up in my face and feel like that. Eh?
Also, if you beat off the police.
Look at me. Yo, me touching on the batty boy.
If you beat off the police.
Touching on all your
some
batty
milk.
boy like you're fucking girl. Yo, is it me about this dog? You have to shoot me pussy wall. Hey, batty boy.
You
Anyone
ain't drunk, you ain't happy drunk.
Yes, can't drink me, I drink all night.
No, me believe. Me no feel so you stay.
Oh, what?
You're drunk, man. Me not think I say you
Chill
stay.
your blood clad.
I police officer, I'm gonna talk this, sir. Next video now, please. Make we watch it.
A Spanish bombo clap told me come from. I am some city hospital, my boy. I told you, I suck your blood clot, man.
He needs some milk.
How we ma deal with, sir? Epsom City Hospital. One place in a Spanish town named so Epsom City. Next video now.
What's name?
Corona.
Well, surname.
Virus.
Where your nickname?
COVID.
You how much?
19.
Where you come from?
China.
Something wrong with that video there. Is a man that or a woman? Me not think it's a woman that. The voice sounds so. You know what? Me I left that video here alone. Right, next one, peeps.
Dumple them up. Spray for me, dumple them up, boy. They pick them down here, them hungry. So, them have eat some dumpling and butter. Cause Corona there, convict 19 there. So when I wash your face, we have boiled some dumpling. Mine shot them drink some of the hot water ready to wash it down.
I know. Yeah, man, tell the people them if just eat some dirt, man, and just shit out them Corona disease, man.
Bitch, what?
Let me play this again. Hold on.
I know. Yeah, man, tell the people them if just eat some dirt, man, and just shit out them Corona disease, man.
I know, my mother see you life. I know, my mother see you life.
Oh, Mr. Wagwan. Yo, a gamble boy them there they listen music and a gamble. See the man then rake up the money fast. Me not in the know say a that a go. Me think of some badness or something like that. My head see the police then pull up. Money and everything disappear. All of a sudden every man a chill. Them swift.
Bruh.
And what that?
Governor.
What the hell? The man little so, and the ass big so. Him not afraid the ass just turn him over. That's very unusual. I've never seen that before. That's what they call a midget and a stillick. Anyway, peeps, I really hope you enjoy the video. I know nothing too special and thing, but I was just pretty much just reacting to some things were happening in around the place in a Jamaica and thing. Alright? So just go on journey with the boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah.